Thanks for calling TV licensing. Your call may be recorded. Just so you know, we may contact you to see how this call went, to hear how we use your data, to connect to our Welsh language helpline, or if you believe you have received a suspicious or unexpected email, please press 0 now. Due to current restrictions to help stop the spread of coronavirus, there may be delays if you need to speak to a member of our team today. You can still complete many transactions on this automated telephone service or on our website at tvl.co.uk. We're doing everything we can to look after our staff and customers at this time, so you may speak to a member of our team who is working at home. We appreciate your patience if you experience any background noise. What are you calling to do today? Please say, buy a license, check if I need a license, tell you I don't need a license, or say none of those.
None of those.
Okay. You need to be covered by a TV license to watch or record live TV programs on any channel, or to download or watch BBC programs on iPlayer. This applies to any device you use. If you don't need a license because your property is empty, or you never watch or record live television on any device or online service, then you just need to let us know. In just a second, I'm going to need the 10-digit reference number that you'll find on the top right-hand side of any letter we might have sent. Sorry, I missed that. I just need the full postcode at the address. Please say it for me now.
No.
I didn't get that, sorry. We may invite you to complete a survey asking about your experience with TV licensing today via text or email. Further information on our privacy policy can be found at tvl.co.uk. Due to ongoing coronavirus restrictions, we have fewer team members available, so it may take us longer to answer your call. Rather than waiting, you can complete many transactions online, such as changing your address. If you want to tell us you don't need a license, simply go to tvl.co.uk/no-TV. If you don't have access to the internet, or still wish to wait to speak to one of our team, please press 1 now.
Hello, thank you for calling. You're speaking to Camilla. How can I help you today?
Yeah, just got a couple of quick questions, if that's okay. Just got a letter saying enforcement visit approved. How does that work during lockdown?
Alright, so during the lockdown, that would not happen. There will be no one visiting the household until further notice from the government guidelines regarding the coronavirus.
The thing is, how does this work if only essential workers are allowed to work, and these letters are being sent out? If it's, I doubt it's classed as an essential service. TV license, is it?
Yes, TV license. So under the government ruling within the class of essential workers, when it comes to visiting officers, we've been updated upon last week, just to notify if anyone asks, is that there wouldn't be anyone visiting. The letters were simply sent before they could be amended correctly. So upon the properties, there will be no one visiting the property itself to inspect if they require a license or not.
Okay, but I just don't understand how it's an essential service at the moment.
I understand. I wish I had an explanation for it, but unfortunately I do not. As a stance of the government, we are designated as a people to oversee that everyone is licensed correctly. So from that point, we've been classed as essential. That's the best explanation, unfortunately, I can give of why we've been classified as such.
It seems a bit odd, whilst there are other government services which have been closed down, which you could sort of class as essential, but TV licence, yeah, okay. Okay, then thanks for your help anyway.
No, I understand. No problem, so take care.
Okay, take care. Bye.